Hello friends, welcome to Literature with Rachana. Today I will be explaining you about the question answers of Unit 2, Class 7, The Master Artist. So let me move on to question number 1. First we have a sentence and on that sentence we have questions. So let me move on to sentence first. That's fine, you needed only to request it. And he pulls aside the 20-foot tall curtain. This was the sentence. What is the question? Who speaks the above line and to whom? Who speaks the above line? It was spoken by Musai Labe. And to whom he spoke? He spoke to Signor Bertoli. He spoke above lines to Signor Bertoli, the patron. Question B. Why did he say that you need only to request? Why? Signor Bertoli was impatient and frustrated and his tone was rude. Okay, he was very angry. Why? Because months were gone and he did not come out with the portrait. So he was a little angry. And with that frustration only, he spoke rudely. And that's why Musai Labe said these words. Now C question, they are asking, why was Signor Bertoli frustrated? Signor Bertoli was frustrated because he wanted to see his portrait made by the artist Musai Labe. And he had waited too long for it. Of course, you know that he waited for 5 months, 6 months. He waited along. He went for so many times to see the portrait. But Musai always gave an excuse to wait for a moment. It will take time. And that's why he was frustrated. Now we will move on to question D. What was behind the 20-foot tall curtain? What was behind that? Musai Labe had been working on the portrait of Signor Bertoli behind the curtain for months. He was working behind the 20-foot tall curtain. Let me see question E. What is the meaning of pigment? In question E, we will provide the meaning of pigment. Pigment is a colored powder that is mixed with the liquid to produce paint. Next, we have answer in brief. Question 1. Why did Bertoli agree to Labe's demand? Bertoli agreed to Labe's demand because Labe was a great artist. First thing, that he was very great artist, and second, that Bertoli was very confident that he would produce a masterpiece for him. He was not even expecting that Labe will go on his own way. He will use any different art. He will go for modern art. He was never expecting it, and that's why he agreed Labe's demand. Question number 2. Why do you think Labe wanted to make Bertoli's portrait in secrecy? It is also mentioned in the book. Labe wanted to make Bertoli's portrait in secrecy because the 20-foot tall wall impressed the artist. He was very happy to see the wall that's 20-foot tall. He wanted the space to make the portrait using his unique creative imagination. He knew that Bertoli would not let him create the portrait the way he wanted, because the way he wanted to make the portrait was not in trend that time, was something different, and that's why he was very well known that no one can allow if he will tell the way he wanted to make the portrait, and that's why he kept the thing in secrecy. Question number 3. Was Bertoli satisfied with the outcome in the end? Answer: no, not at all. Bertoli was not satisfied with the outcome in the end. He was shocked and angered as he could not tolerate Labe's cubist expression on the portrait. He did not like the portrait at all. Question number 4. Giuliano Bertoli stood for a minute. How was Bertoli's feeling at that point? How did he express his feelings. At last, when he saw the portrait, they are asking the tell, describe the expression, describe how he felt that time. So, let me see the answer. Giuliano Bertoli stood for a minute. He was enraged. Then his mouth fell upon. His eyes turned red, and he grabbed what few hairs he had left on his head. We will take out the expression written in the textbook. He did a little hop and then a twitch, and his eyebrows twisted as though he was under a spell. So these were the expressions, these were the feelings shown, explained in the textbook. These are the question answers of the chapter The Master Artist. Hope you all understood it. Thanks for watching.